Alright, today we're talking about velocity and acceleration. And the specific types of problems we're looking at deal with rectilinear motion. And all that means is the movement of a point along a line, or on a line. Right, the movement of a point on a line. So we usually talk about movement of a point on a number line, in a straight line. And position, we've seen before, we've seen it represented as S of t, but sometimes you'll see, especially on AP tests, they'll write it as X of t for these types of problems because it's the movement along the x-axis in many cases. So either of these can be representative of the position function. Velocity, remember, is just the derivative of position. So remember, velocity is change in position over change in time. That's what we're talking about with the derivative of S of t. That's the change in position over change in time. Speed doesn't take direction into account like velocity does, so for that, it's always going to be positive. So we have the absolute value of velocity for our speed. And acceleration, this is one we haven't talked about yet, but acceleration is equal to the derivative of velocity. Right? It's the change in velocity with respect to time. So that gives us our acceleration, which means that acceleration is also the second derivative of the position.